bait shape. Get her looking fine, then you will get a catch most every time.
Hey, Moose! Ease him in, Mike.
We've had a few silvers on already today, but we haven't been able to land one. I think I can get him in. We don't need to slide too much.
There's a silver right there, boys.
Boom!
Yeah, buddy.
Boom!
Target species, baby. Good size silver, too.
Hell yeah, brother. Coming to daddy. Fish in the box.
Well, we had a great week here with Salmon Cather Lodge here on the Kenai Peninsula of Alaska. Very versatile place. You've got halibut fishing, salmon fishing, trout fishing, just about everything you can imagine or want here on the Kenai Peninsula, and some of the best lodging you could ever ask for. So next time you're looking for a great trip, give Terry and his team a call here at Salmon Cather Lodge.